Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we picked the winner of this beautiful Tamiya Grasshopper. This sip is for you, my beautiful viewers and subscribers to the channel. I want to thank you very much for helping me push past that one huge milestone for YouTuber, and that's that 10,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. A while back I had mentioned that when I hit the 10,000 mark we would do a giveaway. Now I decided to do this a little different. I didn't make a video saying that, hey, 10,000 subscribers, which I'll actually put it on this one, because I didn't want to draw in a bunch of people that weren't kind of like loyal to the channel. I wanted to reward the viewers of my channel, because if you put the word giveaway, stuff like that, I've had this happen in the past, you start drawing in all kinds of people from everywhere, and I've gotten weird messages on Instagram, Facebook, like pick me, pick me, pick me, and that's not how this works. I use the company Gleam that hosts the contest. I put in the information, I set a start and end day, and you know, the people, you go in and you enter, and then that's why I screenshot. I film it, me hitting select winner, and that person pops up. Now I did have a problem though, like the last contest, one person I selected never answered. I did have to go back, but on Gleam I had to justify why I have to redo the drawing, and I have to put in there like, hey, I emailed this person, never heard back, it's time to select another one. So let's go ahead, roll the footage, and show you the winner of this beautiful little RC. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to pick the winner of the Tamiya Grasshopper. Draw a winner. Let's see, draw. All right, Aaron is our winner. Congratulations. I will be emailing you, and I'll get your information. We'll get this grasshopper out. Congratulations on winning. All right, congratulations, Aaron. Man, I was actually kind of rooting for you right there, buddy. I'm only going to say this because he's made it a public comment on the channel, so I don't think it's any secret. But he's a single dad, and he had a nice RC collection which he had to sell because he was fighting for custody of his daughter. He's a divorced man, and you know, for men to try to get their child, it's extremely tough. And I don't think there's a person out there that can't have admiration for a man that would sell all this material crap for the most important thing in your life, and that's your own flesh and blood, your child. This is what he did. Now, I mean, I did the contest fair and square. I mean, yeah, I was kind of rooting for him. I actually didn't even know which entry was his. It wasn't until I picked the winner and I saw the name, because it matched what he on his comments, and I was pretty sure that was him. But then when he responded with the email saying that him and his daughter, you know, are really going to enjoy the car, man, it's wonderful. And I think we can all agree, I don't think the car could have went to a better person, a better situation out there. So, man, I'm glad he got the car. Although, if anybody would have won it, it was open to anybody. I don't play favorites, even though a situation like that I kind of would have liked to have. But I could have done something else outside of a contest for him. But man, he won the car. Him and his daughter are gonna have a great time with this RC. So man, we have got to get this thing boxed up and on its way. Hopefully everyone agrees the way I ran the contest. Sorry, I just didn't want to do this public thing like, hey, 10,000 subscribers. Here's a giveaway, because I think it would just drawn in people that really, you know, when you do a giveaway, you want to reward the people that support the channel, right? You know, support you, support what you've been doing, and you know, you don't want to give it to somebody just looking for something free, or possibly going to just turn around and resell it and do whatever. So But you know, it was open to anybody that watched that one video. Got your remote here. The nice thing is, because it's got the kid right here, you got the throttle switches there. So you got 50, 75, and 100. So you got the charger. I'm putting you, look at that nice brand new pack of ARM batteries. I'm gonna throw it in here in the charger box for you for the remote. Yeah, it should work. Hopefully. That way I don't got too much loose stuff rolling around in there. This should be okay, I think. As promised, the little wrench and the extra screws, minus my little cup there. We're gonna go ahead and put all that here into this little. I guess I won't be putting in this one. Let's go run inside and get a new bag. Let's go do that. But first, let me the antenna tube. I'm gonna slip this in the bottom of the box, so it'll be like under the actual grasshopper there. I think that's probably the best space for it. Get back. One battery. Go ahead and put that in here. Then get the bags. So here's all the parts. The little original 380 motor. And here's all the leftover plastic parts we didn't use. You need them, you need them. If not, you got them anyhow, buddy. You got them anyhow. Alright. Then, got you the owner's manual. The instructions for that ESC are right here. And we're going to throw you some swag, man. Throw you a few channel stickers, man. How about that? So what do you guys think? Nicely packaged in there. We'll go ahead and get this to the post office. Get this shipped out to you, man. Congratulations, man. Cannot wait to see pictures of you and your daughter enjoying the little car here. If you want your own swag, check out my Teespring store. It really helps the channel so I can do stuff like this. Now, I apologize. I hope nobody's mad at the way I did the giveaway. Like I said, I just want to reward the people. Now, I know there might be people that watch my channel that aren't interested in cars. Maybe they only watch the airplane stuff. Maybe you only watch cars. Maybe the Tamiya didn't excite you. But I had to do it in a way to where it was for my viewers of the channel, people that come in and watch. So, all I can say is you're gonna have to watch more. Let's keep it going, and we'll do another giveaway, maybe at 15,000, 20,000. Just keep this thing rolling and growing, man. I got a lot of good stuff coming up, man. What you can't see behind the camera is, let me see. I'm not sure. One of them, the video's about to come out. I might try to sneak this video ahead of it, or I hate doing that within a few hours of each other. I don't know. But then there's another one directly behind the camera. Really exciting. Yeah. What else we got? What else? Oh man, we got some parts to unbox. We got some stuff to fix. I'm actually going to be working with a company. They're going to send me some parts to review and test for them. So that's kind of exciting. Be getting a part for the Pro Moto, the Losi Pro Moto. I'm pretty excited to see that. It's actually kind of something I want. So that's why I agreed to it. And I'm going to give you an honest review. It doesn't matter if they give it to me for free. I'm going to give you an honest review if the stuff works. So, man, thank you everyone for 10,000. It is absolutely amazing. I hope everyone can agree, man. I think this car is going to a good home. Erin, your daughter, congratulations on winning. I hope this puts a smile on your face for everything you've been having to go through with this situation, trying to get your daughter, and maybe you get your RC collection back up here shortly. So everyone, thank you very much. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Guys, we'll do it proper, man. We got to do this proper. Hope to see you in the next one.